G'day, welcome back. So as you can see, the glass is out of the Morris Minor here. Got the windscreen out, got the rear screen out. This is just a quick intro to taking the glass out. Took a little while. The rear screen came out pretty easy, just cut the rubbers out and popped the glass. Went pretty careful because obviously didn't want to break it. Front screen was a whole lot harder. You can see all this kind of, it's pretty well bonded in, it was, so yeah, took a fair bit of cutting and chopping and work to get that out. And here's the rear screen. A little bit dirty, a little bit of surface rust, but it's all solid, in good shape, so it should clean up nicely. So yeah, one step further along. So imagine if you cut it out, cut this end at the side.
I suppose you cut it out on this side, I suppose, and we could have a little look. You can start cutting a little bit of that away and see what's going on there. As long as it's... go back around to the bit that will sort of fold in and hopefully that rubber, as long as we don't stress the window,
yeah,
we should not to break.
No,
it needs to be cut right round and then just fold it in.
Yeah, well if we do break it, we'll just weld in a panel, just turn it into a van.
Oh God.
Hang on. Some people are getting a bit upset. I'm not going to paint it this colour again.
What? Okay.
I don't even know.
You can paint it pink.
Well, you could, eh?
Some capital bikes.
Yeah. There's one at Turner's here last week. One that's been in a museum for like 15 years. It's fully restored, gets a warrant every year, on the road. You got it for $5,000. It's like, wash. Not a lot of meat in this project.
No. Jeez, really?
You just follow the base of that.
Do you want me to cut right down there?
Sure.
It's not quite sharp, isn't it?
I'll put it in your blade. You know what they say. I'm going to break some into it or a really sharp knife.
A little tinkle on your side. I might just scratch along here with a screwdriver or something to make sure that it's oh, this will do. Sorry, this little scratchy thing. Oops, sorry. Make a mess of all the stuff with clean. Gee, that rubber's not very supple, it's like rock, eh?
Imagine trying to reuse that.
The side on the top feels like it's going to go, although the bottom doesn't feel like it wants to move at all. That's weird.
I've got this bit that won't come off.
Oh, do you want that? Or...
Need to cut it right now. What do we got?
I wonder what sort of glass this actually is. Would it be good, sort of a good safety glass back or not, or would it just be more?
Cut it. 1958.
Almost just hooked my blade into that edge and then just run along. You could just sort of feel it almost as you're more straight up and down. Oh yeah. Oh, you're right. Just any way you can. She'll be right.
Pretty much.
It'd be like I remember when you were saying about the welding. I remember doing some welding over top of my father's bench, and then went away and had a cup of coffee, and we come back out and I'm like, oh Dad, the shed's on fire, and he goes, oh don't be silly, and I'm like, no it is. I'm like rushing around.
Yeah, I went
this year it was all covered in oil and it went on fire as we went.
Yeah, I put that down here last night. That's before I set fire to it. I put the fire extinguisher in.
Oh. What do you reckon? Does it feel like, because my one, see that there, it's actually moving. Is yours not doing that, or is it that top edge?
A little bit, yeah, a little bit.
Like that, but I don't want to move mine too much until yours starts. Actually, yours is tighter than.
Yeah, I know.
I just don't want to twist it from here because you don't want it to break. And I don't want to point load it like in one place either, because that breaks them. From what I recall from doing it.
Yeah.
I'm an old Holden one. I'm going no.
Well, it's a Holden one. Holden's just break.
Right. Let's see what. Is that just a little bit catching, do you think? Yeah, she's away. You got your hand on the inside? Yeah. Which way do you want to go?
Oh, I've got it.
You got it? Yay!
Okay. I was kind of holding off getting these out because I don't know where to put them. Yeah, I was going to do something.
Do you want me to put them up over this?